Good morning, students. I wish to believe that all are good and safe at your home. Today I am giving some revision questions of chapter 3, that is the flower to flower. So you have to find out answer yourself. You can use the textbook. So first you have to write revision in your notebook, then you have to write the questions, then you have to find out the answer yourself. I will read the question one by one. Listen carefully. First activity, two flowers of same plant are given in the following picture. Here you can see picture 1 and picture 2. A sub-question, label the parts of flowers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in the figures. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know different parts of flower, so you have to find out the parts of a flower. B sub-question, which is the female flower? So here one is a male flower and another one is a female flower. So you have to find out whether picture 1 or picture 2 male or female flower. So you have to find out which is a female flower. C sub-question. Find out the correct statements related to unisexual flowers. We know what is a unisexual flower. So here 4 statements are there. You have to find out correct statement related to unisexual flower. So first one, androecium and gynoecium are found in the same flower. So it is wrong. Androecium and gynoecium are found in different flowers. So you have to find out which one is correct. Okay. C. Unisexual flowers are found in coconut tree and jack tree. Unisexual flower are found in show flower and lady's finger. So you have to find out which statement is related to unisexual flower. Second activity. Certain peculiarities of different flowers observed by a student is given below. How do these specialities help them in pollination? So we studied what is the pollination and we know what are the factors help for pollination. So here 3 statements are there. So you have to find out that peculiarity of that flower and which is the pollinating agent. So first one, jasmine has a good fragrance and white in color. So it has a good fragrance, smell. So which is the pollinating agent here? Yes, we know. Second one, flowers are seen in inflorescence in Ixora. Why flowers are in inflorescence? Because to attract the pollinating agent. So which is the pollinating agent here? Yes, bees or insect, butterfly, etc. C sub-question. Paddy plants have plenty of thin pollen grains. We know speciality of paddy plant, it is pollen grain are light in weight. So you have to write down the peculiarity. B sub-question. Observe the picture of the pollen grain at the tip of the gynoecium. Complete the flow chart showing the path of pollen grain for fertilizing with egg. So we know fertilization is a process of fusion of male gamete and female gamete. So here you have to complete the flow chart. So stigma is given. B you have to find out. C is ovary and D. So you have to find out here after stigma it reach the style. After ovary it change into zygote. C sub-question, which is the pollinating agent in pepper plant? Wind, water, moth and honeybee. So you have to find out which is the pollinating agent in case of pepper plant. I hope you understood first activity and second activity. Third activity, A sub-question. All flowers in a pumpkin plant do not become fruits. This is the opinion of a student. Do you agree with it? Give reason. Yes, we know. Pumpkin flower is a unisexual flower. You have to write down more explanation. B sub-question. What is the changes occurs in flowers after when flower become fruit? Yes, there is so many change. Ovary change into fruit, ovule change into seed. Then we studied about thalamus, pedicel, what happens to thalamus, pedicel, then corolla, petals and all that you have to write down. What are the changes that over? Then C sub-question, which are the correct statement is given below. So you have to find out it is related to fruits. Okay. So you have to find out which is the correct statement here. Apple and cashew apple are false fruit. Yes, it is a false fruit. It is one of the correct one. So second one, jackfruit and pineapple are aggregated fruits. Whether it is correct, you have to find out. Mango and tomato are simple fruits. Yes. Fourth one, jackfruit and custard apple are multiple fruits. So you have to choose correct statement here. Activity 4. Arrange the following fruits into simple fruits and aggregated fruits. We know what is the difference between simple fruits and aggregated fruits. So here name of some fruits are given. You have to classify them into simple fruits and aggregated fruits. Mango, custard apple, blackberry, grapes, polyanthia, chili and frangipani. That means champagam. So I hope you understood 4 activity. Now you have to write down this question and you have to find out the answer. Then you have to write in your science notebook. By next Wednesday you have to submit the revision answers. I hope all of you understood.